Umunnem Ndeba Ekene Moon. I greet you. It is a wonderful day indeed. That if you wake up in the morning and maybe at the end of the day, you give God thanks. You give Him all the glory. So today's topic, as you can see, I'm gonna tell you a little bit about. I'm not telling you actually. I'm gonna say my own opinion about baby mama and baby daddies. I feel like hammering on this more and more and more and more. I feel like doing more video on this because what is the reason for social media if it's not balanced? It's as if some side are promoting baby mama these days. Let us also tell our mind, our peace of mind, not just sitting inside your house and thinking, what are these people doing? Saying your opinion internally. So today I'm going to say my opinion over this topic, over this issue called baby mama. I'm going to say my own opinion verbally. I'm going to put it out here. I know some people will not like it, but I can't help. I can't put in and kill the truth that is resonating inside me. So mostly I'll be focusing on my people because as far as I'm concerned, Ndị Igbo enwere such culture as baby mama and baby daddies. I enwere such culture. Unwere ebe enwere at all as in Igbo land. It is not even good as in before or in the future. So I'm gonna demote everything about baby mama. So if you don't like the topic already, you can skip to another video or leave. I don't want to involve you or pollute your mood. So, but this is very important. You may not be in that baby mama kind of a thing, but you may have friends who are involving or who are even desiring to be a baby mama or a baby daddy. Send them this video, share with them, because I will handle it as introduction. I will introduce my point. Now I will still do it again so that I can. I don't want this video to be too long. So what I'm trying to say is, I have seen where this generation is taking issue of relationship to. And in between, I nwere ihe dịka marriage or children bearing. We'll call it to reproduction. For you to have children, for you to have a baby, is also in our minds. So it's as if so many people get married because they are late. They don't want to be, they don't want to be left behind. And therefore, they will now marry just because they want to have their baby. I've heard it live from someone. So when they check out, for instance, the ladies, there is menopause. Even nowadays, men are having menopause. I will tell more about it in another video. Men are having menopause because you see so many guys. Once they're getting up to, it's the stress is getting too much on guys nowadays. If you see any man up to 50 years, he might struggle to impregnate a lady, except the man is doing nothing if he's jobless. Because this issue of erection problem and man being fertile, it resonates or it happens to connect to your mind. Your mind, if your mind is occupied with the day activities, if you are under stress, under pressure, and How won't you be under pressure in this kind of society we are in now? So the society we are in now is not allowing us to be free from pressure. So men are getting it, it's hitting them heavily. Let me reduce this music. So now what I'm trying to say is that baby mamas and baby daddies, as a result of, I want to have baby before I get old. I want to have my children before I get old. That is number one reason. Second reason is that it did not work out how I intended. Something is not working out. It's not going to work out. My intention is shattered into the bin. People, or the person I'm married to, or the person that I'm doing this relation of a thing with, is not responding. And then the person will just give up. The person will quickly switch off. And that is a big problem. We have quit problem. We have home upbringing problem. We have anger problem. We have all these problems in our life nowadays, whereby people refuse to adjust in order to accommodate their fellow people, their fellow human being. Even so-called your wife, you are refusing to accommodate her, or you refuse to accommodate the man, and the divorce will come. If you refuse to learn about marriage and relationship, there is no way you can be in marriage. If you happen to be in anyone, you will end up divorcing later. So we have problem. This problem is still showcasing now. It's still showing up, and people are laughing about it. Called baby mama. People are not serious. People are actually because no bro hanaro. But we have children like me. I have children. I have boys and girls. I don't want any of my kids to get involved with anything that has to do with baby mama or baby daddy. Arụ. Mgbe gboo, I didn't sure, even when the mobile ikuru nwa n'aka like this, you have a baby in Igbo land, you look like outcast. You'll be mocked. I'm not saying it's good, but this is decency. It still keeps us moving as a people with a decent nature and character. If we end up allowing this, our children will not want to marry. Ndị ụmụaka anyị mụsị kịta ha ga-anụ di. They will all dive into having baby mama and baby daddies. It's not only that it's bad, the children born into such culture is going to cripple whatever we call a home upbringing, because there will be nobody who is brought up by only mama. If it happens to you unknowingly, my wife now I'll become baby daddy by force. That is different. It's very, very different. But when you just aim, because that is what is going on now, it's trending. It started maybe about 5 years ago, becoming like play. I started hearing this for the first time, baby mama, maybe about 4 or 5 years ago. I have never known about it. Nowadays, I've seen the other day on a chat, someone chatting Davido that she want to be a baby mama. People nowadays are even applying to be a baby mama and a baby daddy. What kind of life is this? It's now becoming part of us. It's not more, and I think this came from Western world, and they have sold this thing to us. And now pass now choosing a crown, a amazing degree on this kind of nature. Baby mama, baby daddy. For what now? For what? Now, bitter truth here is that because we are like the first generation that is embracing this kind of a thing now. We're like the first generation that embracing it, and we haven't known the repercussion, as in long-term duration. The repercussion here got very deadly, very bad. It's difficult for two people, papa and mama, to raise their children. It's always difficult, and the work not there is heavy. How much more when you are alone? You know, the worst part of it is that people encourage it. People are now rushing into it. Instead of doing your best to go into a home, get married to your husband or to your wife, it is a process. People don't want to pay any price nowadays. People are so lazy, and marriage, I think marriage is very simple. From my own understanding, it's just that you must embrace the price. It is the best way to live your life after 30. After is the most economical way to live life. After 40, what else are you doing as a single? And if you display yourself well, you will definitely marry. If you as far as I'm concerned, as Igbo man, yeah, as Igbo man, Moabu Ekenebu, I display onwe gị ọfụma, ị ga-anọrịrị di. Ụmụ nwaanyị adịrọ nọ. Ezigbo nwakọ. Ha dị ụkọ. Ọ bụghị ịpụta okwu ga-aga ekwu okwukwu. Ịba ebe a ebe enu. Anụ ụdagụ na mgbago, anụ ụdagụ na mgbatu. There is no way. Okwu onye fugo ọ na-agba. And that is very difficult. That is just one of the major reasons why a lot of people are afraid of marriage. Ayana's name will not bring in. Upbringing was zero. The other day I was trying my best. I kept my kids in one room. That day I called them because I still have my children are still young, as you can hear their voice. You know, I put them in. They were too small to even to give them such kind of lecture. They were still standard, but I started giving them as much as I can to make them know what it is to accommodate someone. That is dangerous. If we don't start early, we will be in a big mess. Now, my point here, in conclusion, I just want to say, a baby mama accommodate in our region, in our families. Onye fu ihe ọjọọ ya kpọọ ya asị. If you see the bad thing, if something that is not good at all, call it in names. And because if you don't do so, it will sneak into your own house. One day, a baby mama product will come marry your child. You won't be happy. Now, let me say this. I saw there is a woman in our church. This woman, her husband left her, and they did not marry for the first time. And now, let me say they are divorced. And at the end of the day, she was raising one son alone. One son. She was at the supermarket. She just collapsed. And she was like, I think, 35 of age. She collapsed. Then when she recovered, we went to visit her. And she started telling us the story that it is her son. Her son, the stress the son gives her is unbearable. The situation is that they will not tell you. Now, when we encourage this kind of baby mama journey, 90% will end up having child for a poor person. Who are those rich ones? Everybody will not go and have baby for the video now. At the end of the day, you may have your own for someone who is camouflaging that he or she is living fine. Even if you have money before, in between the journey, then you are left with no money. And now baby has shown up. What and how will you do it? This woman became so devastated that her life was crippled. No more, her career was shattered to the beam. Everything that she wanted to become was cancelled. So what I'm trying to say is the opinion that you have over baby mama and also call baby daddy, speak it out. Call it bad. I am doing my own now. Your own turn is to do a video or share this one. Baby mama, as far as I'm concerned, in Igbo land, Ogabo, a deadly, we are now allowing. We are allowing it to just grooming it. Ndi Igbo anya na eme allow. Mana church, mana villages now. If ụmụ ekusiere nwa nke bi okuru nwa na agagharị, akpọ ya baby mama. Hey, I don't know. I'm short of words, but all I'm trying to say, ndi bai bikon. Probably other tribes now, but I don't care. What I know is that I have studied African history. I could not find where baby mama is allowed. There were no place. It is not even ethical. Babies, children need father and mother. And if that occur, maybe you are a widower, it's okay. We know God will strengthen you to carry on the journey. But these days, I don't want to mention names on this particular video. I'm not afraid, but I just don't want to mention names. But I can count 20 people, known people in Igbo land, Mande actress, Mande actors, who are involved in baby mama and daddy. And if that draws Hananya, there's no shame at all about it. Now, why people get involved into this, I have said before, is because of menopause, because of quarrel, which we can treat it. We shouldn't be lazy because what you are running from, you will eventually have it double times. I'm always mostly kind of disappointed because people who may watch this video are not the people who are involved in this. Rather, I will urge you and plead with you to share because there is a lot of video promoting baby mama. Let's encourage more videos that are not promoting baby mamas and baby daddies. If we can balance it so that the children who are browsing on the internet or YouTube looking for messages that has to do with baby mama, if this one shows up, this one also will show up so that it will balance. Else, tomorrow you may not be there. Your children will have more information, will find someone to information that will encourage them to dive into baby mama. And when they begin to promote it, it will be that you saw it coming and your children will begin to fall into it. Let's advocate against baby mama. Let's speak against it. Let's promote or stop the promotion of baby mama. Let's call a spell a spell. If it happened to anyone unknowingly, out of occasion, it just happened. That is, it's allowed. But people should not run into it. People should not go for it. So I try to look at this video do too long. That is why I will be stopping here. Man, I will come up with names. I will begin to mention names because we use on this platform to create information from my own understanding. And I'm a Bible, after all, it's also not biblical. It's not even ethical. I can quote places where I've read, because I tried to research about this. Onwere back up. Onwero. Baby mama, baby papa, or baby daddies. May we stand against it, because it is hell. It is hell. The children, we are just selfish. The children will grow to have an imbalanced life nature. And that is my point. May God help us as we continue to manage our life. May God help us to prosper and give us the strength to grow. Thank you for staying with me, and I will see you in my next video. So, over no one you comment down below and let me know that what you think about this topic. I will be waiting to see or to hear from you. Remain blessed and bye.